So how much would you pay for a headphone? There are different headphones that differ in terms of the size, the design, the prices, and some other features here and there. When you're looking for a headphone, you go for it depending on your needs, maybe, and your budgeting. Now we have different types of headphones that cost different amounts of money. There are those that are as low as $5, for example, the P47 wireless headphones. And then we have very expensive headphones. For example, we have the AirPods Max Pro, which costs around $500. And then we have the Mark Levinson's number 5909, which costs up to $1,000. So when you're buying headphones, it depends on what you need in a headphone and the amount that you're willing to spend. You may ask yourself, for example, what type of headphone do I use? I use the Ausdom ANC one, which is an active noise cancelling headphone and also allows the multi-point pairing. It means I can connect it to two devices. It is not expensive, but it serves the purpose because this headphone costs around roughly $30, which is cheap. But what do we have on our list? What are we looking at today? So today we're going to look at 5 noise cancelling headphones that go for over $300. When it comes to noise cancelling headphones, many companies and brands have built their own designs and types that vary in features and performance and sizes and all that. Before you jump into the first noise cancelling headphone, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated on new uploads, on tech reviews and all other videos. So our first noise cancelling headphone on this list is the Bose Squire Comfort 45. And even before we talk about this, the first noise cancelling headphone was invented by Dr. Bose in the year 1979 to help pilots concentrate. The Bose Squire Comfort headphones have some very interesting features which include a powerful noise cancelling capability, a long battery life, a sleek and a comfortable design, and a 5.1 Bluetooth connection which allows multi-point pairing. It means you can connect your device, your headphone to two devices at the same time. These headphones retail for around $280 to $350 and you can get them on Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart. The second on the list is the Sony WF1000XM4 noise cancelling earbuds. Now, sometimes you may prefer earbuds over headphones because of how comfortable they are. Now, these earbuds are slightly expensive. Now, that is if you are not willing to spend so much because they cost over $280. $280 for earbuds. If you're somebody who is on a budget, that is slightly too expensive. But then on the upside, this offers some of the best sound quality. They offer some of the best noiseless calling. That is when you prefer making calls using your earbuds or maybe attend conferences, webinars online. And they also have a long battery life. Third on the list is the Sony WH1000XM4 wireless and noise cancelling headphones. Now these are an upgrade of the Sony WH1000XM3 and do not have that much difference in terms of physical appearance from the older version, but then they are a much more improved version with a better performance and features. For example, the older one did not have a stronger noise cancelling capability, and now this offers up to 95% noise cancelling, and then it also gives you noiseless calling if you are making calls using your headphone. The other interesting feature about this, it now has multi-point pairing. Like we said before, you can connect it to two Bluetooth devices at a go and use them simultaneously. The other thing, it has a good battery life. It means you can use it for over 40 hours with the noise cancelling capability turned on, with the noise cancelling feature turned on. So this Sony WH1000MX XM4 is another very interesting noise cancelling headphone that you may think about going for if you need to buy a headphone. It costs roughly $280 to $350, just like the WF1000XM4 earbuds, but now this is a headphone, and if you prefer headphones over earbuds, this is the one for you. This fourth option is for those who love Apple products or the iOS operating system. Now the Apple AirPods Max are a very interesting headphone choice if you are one person who loves high-end products. Now these headphones feature great sound quality and more detailed sound than its competitors, which are Bose, Anker, and maybe Sony. Now this headphone is expensive because it costs over $500, and it might take someone really willing to spend to buy this one. But then on the upside, it gives you maximum quality for the money you spend, because high top-notch sound, high noise cancelling capability, better than probably all the others that we talked about, noiseless calling, and then it also has a feature that is designed for video viewing, an audio feature by Apple that helps you when you're watching videos to improve your experience when you're watching these videos. So this Apple AirPods Max is a great choice, and only if you are willing to spend on it and you understand the value of quality. Our last on the list is a noise cancelling headphone that is better than the AirPods Max. Now, this headphone is what we would define as high-end and the most expensive in the list. It costs $1,000. Can you believe that? Can you spend $1,000 on a headphone? Whether it has some of the best quality, some of the best features. Okay, yes, you would if you have the money and you wish to. Maybe you just want to have the experience. But then this headphone has probably the best. It's not probably, it's actually the best. Noise cancelling, sleek design, simple and comfortable design, easily foldable, replaceable parts. Like now the ear cups are made of leather and they can be replaced. It means when they get worn out, you just go and replace it. So it is worth the cost. You can have maybe one of the best experiences listening to music. So what features make this Mark Levinson number 5909 an interesting headphone and a unique one of all? It supports different codecs. It supports two different codecs, the aptX by Qualcomm and the LDSC by Sony. The second thing, it has high quality noise cancelling feature. It also has high quality noiseless calling, that's when you make calls over your headphones like we talked about. It also features multi-point Bluetooth sharing or connection, where you can connect two devices. We talked about that in other products. This headphone also has a comfortable design, which means you can use it for extremely long hours without feeling any form of discomfort or any pain in your ear or something of that sort. The other thing that this headphone features is the leather ear cups. Now, most of the headphones do not have quality ear cups for their headphones. They make them comfortable and soft, but then they easily get worn out. This Mark Levinson's number 5909 has comfortable and high quality leather ear cups, which are replaceable. So from the list that we have just created, which was your most favorite noise cancelling headphone? Let me know in the comment section. And if you also have a recommendation or maybe an experience with other types of headphones that you've used before, feel free to share in the comment section, and then it can help maybe other potential buyers. And also, if you have a negative experience with one of the headphones that we've talked about in this list, you can also share it in the comment section. And for those who need to maybe buy cheaper headphone types, maybe you should consider brands like the Coin. We have the Anker Life, which maybe feature headphones below $150. We have the One Audio headphone company that also has some very great headphones that you can buy from, and other cheaper options that you can get from retailers and wholesalers online. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumb up, share it with friends, share your thoughts in the comment section, and see you in the next video.